Hello, Weekend Crafter. Welcome or welcome back to the Craft Time Studio. This is Ange, your Weekend Crafter, and for this weekend, I will be sharing with you a simple bridesmaid proposal project. A bridesmaid proposal is a special and thoughtful way to ask your friends to be a part of your wedding entourage. So before we begin with the project, make sure to clean your work area first. I always use a glass mat, so I just spritz it with some alcohol and wipe it down. Next, I am preparing the text that I will stamp into my clay. I am forming the words, "Will you be my bridesmaid?" I am using cookie alphabet stamps here. I will place a link in the description box in case you're interested to get something similar.
I think it's a necessary step to lay out your words in advance so that you will know how to balance a text and make it fit the cutter.
Next, it's time to condition the clay and roll it out. I am going with an off-white color which I achieved by mixing white with some gray granite. I flatten the clay and then I lay out the longest word in the sentence, which is bridesmaid, and I measure it out. It is 2.5 inches long. I will be making a heart template, so I fold a piece of cardboard stock in half and measure out 1.25 inches, which will be the widest part of the heart. Then I cut the heart shape out. Next, I flatten out the clay into the number 3 setting. I want the piece to be a little thick but not too thick. I bring back my heart shape and trace the shape using my detail needle. I get my micro puncher and punch a hole where a string would go. I decided that it will be 3 lines, so I lay out the words, "Will you" on the first line, "Be my" on the second line, and "bridesmaid" on the third line. Then at the bottom center, I place the question mark. You could stop at this, but the bride who requested this piece wanted a dusty blue flower at the corner for accent. So I roll out my blue clay into the number 7 setting and punch some flowers. I use a ball tool to curl the petals up and some liquid clay to attach this to the upper part of the heart. I punch out 2 more flowers and cut petals from it. Then I again curl each petal with a ball tool and attach it to the flower. Once all the petals are in place, I roll a small ball and place it at the center of the flower, and I texture it with a detail needle. Now, this goes to the oven to be baked. Once it is fully baked, you can place a string through the hole, and this can be attached to a gift for your bridesmaids. This is a very simple way to personalize your bridesmaid proposal. I hope that this gives you inspiration to do your own projects. Have a crafty weekend. Bye!